Ever wondered how to find new crypto projects? It's a common question. Cryptocurrency is a vast evolving field. New projects emerge constantly, bringing new opportunities for early investors. The importance of discovering and investing in these projects is immense. It's akin to getting in on the ground floor of a potentially game-changing idea. But how do you find them? That's the question we'll address. What's the trick? We're about to the process of discovering new crypto projects. Stay tuned as we delve into the process of finding new crypto projects. Start your journey into new crypto projects with initial offerings, popularly known as ICOs, IEOs, and IDOs. These are the crypto world's equivalent to a company's IPO. ICO symbolizes initial coin offering, IEO indicates initial exchange offering, and IDO is initial DEX offering. They encompass methods where new crypto projects raise funds by offering their tokens to investors before hitting the open market. Each type has its unique process benefits, but they all aim to launch a new crypto project. Platforms like Binance Launchpad and CoinList curate these token launches, providing a stage for new projects to show their potential. They not only list upcoming offerings, but also detail each project's information, assisting you in making informed investment decisions. Initial offerings give you a front-row seat to the launch of new crypto projects. Websites like CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap are treasure troves of information. They are the key platforms for anyone wanting to stay with the dynamic crypto scene. These websites are brimming with data on trending cryptocurrencies, allowing you to spot new projects. The challenge is making sense of all this data. That's where the filtering options prove useful. CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap let you filter cryptocurrencies based on various criteria like market capitalization and volume. These criteria aid in identifying promising cryptocurrencies. You can also filter by price, percentage change, and other factors. These options provide a detailed look at the market, aiding in trend recognition, spotting opportunities, and making informed decisions. Remember, while these websites provide substantial information, they're only tools. The final decision is yours. Use these tools wisely, combining their insights with your personal research. With the right tools and techniques, these websites can be your gateway to new crypto projects. Cryptocurrency's constant evolution opens doors for exciting opportunities. Community engagement is a potent tool in the crypto world. We use social media for news, advice, and insights, much like in the cryptosphere. These platforms are information epicenters, teeming with enthusiasts, developers, and investors. They exchange knowledge, experiences, and forecasts. Engaging with such provides real-time insights, updates, and engaging debates on new projects. It feels like in a virtual room with hundreds of passionate individuals. The sense of community is tangible, yet it's not just about the crowd, it's about individuals too. Following influential figures in the crypto space can be as enriching as reading a good book. These pioneers, innovators, risk-takers willingly share their wisdom. So don't just observe, participate, engage, and learn. Engaging with the right communities can lead you to promising crypto projects. Finding new crypto projects is just the beginning. Once you identify a potential investment, the groundwork commences. Extensive research. This isn't just a brief look at a project's website or a swift read of its white paper. It's thorough, detailed analysis. The importance of this step stems from the complex, volatile nature of the crypto world, where risks and rewards precariously hang in the balance. Your understanding of a project directly impacts your investment decisions potential. Consider the team's track record, the relevance of their proposed solution, and the token economics. Posing these critical questions is integral to the research process. The joy discovery is indeed thrilling, but the sweetest reward lies in witnessing your investment flourish due to informed decisions. Just remember, your decision is a reflection of the research you conduct. Knowledge, therefore, becomes your greatest weapon when investing in new crypto projects.